Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, September the 4th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a Two Stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 1464. Before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the difficulty level. Previous one, a one-star Sudoku, has 27 printed digits or numbers. Let me count. I think there are 26, but we will check if this is correct. We have here 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 3, 14 plus 3 is 17, 18, 19 plus 4 is 23, plus 3 is equal to 26, so it's correct. Let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number 5 in this row, 5 in that row? So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in that box. Here also a 1, so no 1 in this box. 1 box left for the 1 in this column should be here. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Then 9 in this row, and 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column. 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this column, third column. The numbers 1 and 2 are missing in this column. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And then 4 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 3 places for the 4, here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright, then 3 missing numbers in the third column. Third row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. Here also a 5, so no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2. How about the number? These. No, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? Yes, these 2 numbers in this big square. The missing numbers here are the 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. These 2 missing numbers are the numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then. How about the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. These 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those numbers are the 6, the 7, and the 8. We see here the 6 and the 7 in the middle row, so no 6 and the 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark them for you. 6 and the 7. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Then 1, 3, 6, 3. No. Need to wait. I need to wait. 3 and 6. These 2 numbers in the last row, 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 8. Let me mark them for you. 3 and the 8. It's a pair. That means the other 2 boxes in this big square are the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. these two numbers, the 2 and the 1, it's a pair, so I mark them for you. That means the other two numbers in this big square are the 9 and the, nope, we have a 9 here. The 8 and the 3 still cannot fill this yet, but I mark them for you. 3 and 6, so the 6 should be here. Alright. How about these two numbers in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. No. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them. 7, 6, 9. Mehr. 7, 6. 7, 6, and 8. Yeah. In this row, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 7, the 6, and the 8. 7, 6, and the 8. We see here the 6 and the 8. So in this box, no 6 and the 8. That means one digit left should be for the 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 6. One box left in this row for the number 8. One box left in this big square for the number 7. These two boxes in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them for you. These should be also 1 and 3. 6 and 3. Still cannot fill this yet. Very strange. 2. Yes, 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be the 8. One box left in this first column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. One number left in this third row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be the 9. Yeah, 2 boxes left in this second row for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 now, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 8. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 1. Yes, finish in 40 minutes. Alright, quicker than the previous one. So you cannot say a 2 stars Sudoku is more difficult than the 1 star Sudoku. No. It depends. So sometimes more stars can be easier than less stars. Alright. You like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make this by yourself or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you the next time. Yes, in a minute with the third Sudoku. It will be a 3-star Sudoku, this one. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.